In this video, we're going to look at 7 inspection processes mistakes to avoid in manufacturing. Let's ensure your operation runs smoothly by avoiding these common pitfalls. Mistake number 1 is not planning your inspections. Imagine launching an inspection without a checklist or objectives. It's like walking in the dark. For example, failing to plan could mean missing a critical calibration check on machinery, leading to off-spec products. Always begin with a detailed plan. Mistake 2 is ignoring employee feedback. The people on your production floor can offer invaluable insights. Consider a scenario where workers notice unusual noise from a machine, but it's dismissed until the machine fails. Listening can prevent downtime. Coming in at mistake number 3 is using outdated inspection methods. Relying solely on manual inspections in today's digital age can lead to errors. For instance, manual measurements might miss slight variances that digital tools could catch, affecting product quality. Mistake number 4 is not regularly calibrating inspection equipment. Calibration ensures accuracy. A manufacturer once faced a product recall because inspection tools were out of calibration, leading to inaccurate measurements and non-compliant products. 5th on our list is overlooking the training of your inspection team. An untrained inspector might not recognize a defect that could lead to product failure. Regular training sessions can prevent this, ensuring your team knows what to look for. Mistake number 6 is neglecting data analysis. Collecting data without analyzing it is like collecting books and never reading them. Example: a manufacturer collected inspection data but didn't analyze it for trends, missing a pattern of defects that led to costly waste. The 7th mistake to avoid is ignoring the environmental conditions in your plant. Environmental factors like temperature and humidity can impact material properties and product quality. For instance, not adjusting the inspection process for high humidity led one manufacturer to deal with adhesive failures in their products. Mistake number 8 is not engaging all departments in the inspection process. Quality assurance isn't just the responsibility of the QA department. For example, when a design flaw went unnoticed because the engineering team wasn't involved in the inspection process, it resulted in a costly redesign. Lastly, mistake 9 is relying solely on final inspections. This approach can lead to high rejection rates and wasted resources. Continuous inspection throughout the manufacturing process, as opposed to just at the end, can identify issues early on, saving time and money. A company learned this the hard way when a batch of products had to be scrapped because flaws were only detected at the final inspection stage. Avoiding these mistakes in your inspection process can lead to smoother operations, higher quality products, and happier customers.
Save valuable time by making it easy for your employees to consume safety talks from their own devices, and acknowledge training at the click of a button. As a safety manager, you can use our Toolbox Talk library to create and schedule safety talks days, weeks, and months in advance, all while saving time and boosting workplace safety. Your employees will have the flexibility to complete safety training anywhere and anytime, enabling managers to focus on other tasks, while still educating employees about critical safety protocols completely automated. Click the link below to request a demo.